In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT as your dedicated car buying research assistant to find the perfect vehicle for your budget and needs. Let's get started. First, I'll open ChatGPT and provide a clear set of instructions. I've already prepared a prompt that tells the AI to act as my unbiased assistant, providing practical information without any brand bias. I'll copy this text, paste it into the chat box, and send it. Immediately, the AI begins a practical comparison between new and used cars, highlighting the big factors like initial cost, the steep depreciation of new vehicles, and the long-term reliability of older models. It even provides a quick decision guide to help me choose which path is right for me. Next, I want to see some specific car recommendations. I'm going back to my notes to copy a prompt that includes my budget of $30,000 and my requirements for a reliable, 5-seat family vehicle with great fuel economy. After I paste this in, ChatGPT generates a list of 5 models that fit these criteria: the Toyota RAV4, the Honda CR-V, the Mazda CX-5, the Honda Accord, and the Hyundai Tucson. To get a better sense of each car, I'll click through the provided image galleries to see the interior space and cargo areas for each one. This visual check is really helpful for comparing layouts. I've also got a handy comparison table here that summarizes the pros and cons of each model at a glance. Now, I want to focus on one specific car, so I'm copying a prompt for a detailed buyer's guide for the Toyota RAV4. I want to know which model years are the most reliable and which ones I should avoid. ChatGPT breaks this down by generation, listing common owner complaints and mechanical issues like fuel pump failures or battery concerns. It also gives me a fair price range for different model years and a checklist of what to inspect during a test drive. Understanding the money part is just as important as choosing the car. I'm going to paste a prompt asking for a plain language explanation of car financing. This breaks down how interest rates are calculated and shows how different loan lengths affect the total amount I'll pay. It explains the benefits of getting a bank pre-approval over dealer financing and warns me about common dealership tricks like the 4-square method. It even lists specific things I should never agree to without reading carefully, like extended warranties or gap insurance. To finish up, I'll request a negotiation guide. I want to know exactly what to research before making an offer and the right order to discuss the price, trade-in, and financing. I'm even getting specific phrases to help me stay firm on my budget while keeping the conversation professional. Having these strategies ready helps me avoid high-pressure tactics. With all this information, I feel much more confident about heading to the dealership and making a smart purchase. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.